Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I have an updated curly hair routine for you all. I did just recently drop a new product for my brand goddessscurls, so you guys will be seeing that in just a second. But yeah, I'm about to be 2 years post big chop and my hair is obviously getting longer, which means it's getting more tangled, it's getting drier. So I started off with this 1.5-week-old twist out, which definitely is in need of some TLC. So if you guys want to see how I use my brand goddessscurls to bring my hair back to life, then just keep on watching. So I just started off by pre-pooing my hair. So I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections. And I'm going to use our new Ravishing leave-in detangler. This is infused with black castor oil, aloe vera juice, and shea butter. And it's meant to soften, smooth, and detangle. So I didn't realize the top to my mist bottle was not completely screwed on, so I spilled this cold water all over me, y'all, and it was so cold and I didn't have pants on. But anyways, I'm just going to start by wetting up this first section of hair. Then I will add a nice generous amount of this leave-in detangler, and this is, you can use it as a leave-in, which I will show you guys later on in the video, but you can also use this as a pre-poo or pre-detangler. So it's nice, it's creamy, it smells really good, smells nice and citrusy, just like the Enchanting moisture cream, smells super good. But now that my hair is longer, y'all, I need to pre-poo / detangle before I wash my hair. Now I wasn't doing this for the longest, but within these last couple of months I've been doing it every single wash day because it just makes the process so much easier, especially when I'm in the shower. It really cuts down that portion of my wash day. So yeah, if you are someone who has extremely dry hair, or you just want to kind of get that detangling process out of the way, this is a really good product to use. And right here, this has not been sped up or anything. I'm just showing you how I use my own fingers to basically get rid of all of these tangles that I had. So typically I would use a detangling brush, but I wanted you guys to see the detangler in action. So within a minute, this entire section of my hair was detangled. So yeah, if you're someone who likes to finger detangle or you just want to melt away those knots, definitely try out my Ravishing leave-in detangler. But yeah, I'm just going to work that on in, detangle it really good, and show you guys what that's looking like. And then there's a few more steps before we get into the shower. So now I'm going to use the Tangle Teezer scalp massage brush. I don't use this every single wash day, but whenever I feel like I have, you know, excess wet flakes, product buildup, whatever on my scalp, this is just what I like to use to lift it on up and make it easy to just rinse away when I get in the shower. Then I will add some drops of our Divine Hair Elixir to my scalp and my hair for added moisture to both my hair strands and scalp. This has great ingredients like castor, avocado, jojoba, and peppermint oil, which is what it smells like. It's nice, it's minty, it's soothing, it's calming, and it has really great benefits for your hair and scalp. So after I do that, I'll detangle one last time, and then I'm just going to 2-strand twist my hair and repeat. Now, you can just apply this and then immediately rinse and start your wash day, or you can leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes for some added moisture so that it can, you know, get up in there, penetrate, all that good stuff. So that is what I'm going to be doing, just leaving it on for about 15-30 minutes. So I am just rinsing this pre-poo detangler, leave-in detangler out of my hair, and my hair was left nice and hydrated and just ready to be washed. So I'm going to be using some products from Olaplex. I'm still working out my own shampoo and conditioner, so until then I'm going to be using other brands, but you guys have seen me use and talk about these Olaplex products before. It's the shampoo that they have, and then I believe their hair mask. So I will link everything down below. But yeah, I just want to continue using products that are hydrating to my hair, but will also leave it nice and clean and ready to be styled. So these two products do just that. They're softening, they're cleansing, and they have good benefits, especially for those with damaged type of hair. But once I do that, I'm just going to wring my hair out, put my microfiber towel on, and then we're going to get into the styling. So this is my hair out of the shower. I did want to show you guys, if you haven't picked up our body collection Radiant Body Elixir, this is super great for your skin, leaves it nice, hydrated, and glowing. So definitely get yours in the vanilla cashmere, okay? But I've sectioned my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to add our Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir to my scalp just to help with dryness, flakes, promote hair growth. And then these are the stars of the show, the Ravishing Leave-In Detangler and the Enchanting Moisture Cream. These products together, y'all already know my Enchanting Moisture Cream is a one and done product, but if you want that extra moisture, you will go ahead and use our Ravishing Leave-In Detangler. So I wet my hair, I detangled it. I'm going to use a nice generous amount of the detangler, and this is pretty much like your base or your primer before you go on to your other moisturizing or styling products. So this is the first product to get that moisture going. It leaves my hair nice and soft, defined, but I will go on top of this with the Enchanting Moisture Cream. The Enchanting Moisture Cream is also made with aloe vera and shea butter, but it also has sunflower oil. So yeah, great ingredients, great benefits. It's going to help strengthen, moisturize, and give hold. So I'm just going to work this on in, get all that moisture in, and then I just go ahead and style. And today I wanted to do a basic 2-strand twist. Literally all I've been doing are twist outs and braid outs, you guys. Like, I've just been keeping it so simple with my hair because I just don't got the time for it anymore. It's a lot trying to take care of this hair. But yeah, I'm just going to twist my hair, and y'all know the keys to twisting. Make sure that the two pieces you have are pretty much equal in size. Twist tightly from roots to ends. Detangle as you go, and once you get down to the end and coil your end, make sure you get rid of any excess products, because all that product that just sits there, it'll dry up and then you will have flakes. So we don't want that. So this is the front of my hair. I don't know about you guys, but I have different textures in my head. So the back is more coarser, drier, more type 4, but the front is looser, not as dry, and definitely more type 3. So this is this front section when I added the leave-in detangler. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like performing on different curls. And then the next clip is after I added the Enchanting Moisture Cream on top, and you can see the curls are loving it. But yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a spin around of my entire head. I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for about an hour and then air dry the rest overnight. Definitely, you guys need to be investing in a hooded dryer attachment, or just do your hair before bedtime. That will save you from waking up with crazy looking twists, because I get asked this all the time. And also it's going to help maintain your moisture. So the next day, the twists are looking good. I could already tell this is going to be a nice twist out, but yeah, I'm just taking a few drops of our Divine Hair Elixir, adding that to my hair, going to help with shine and frizz. Then I'm going to unravel these bad boys, and just from unraveling, my hair was already looking amazing, just shiny, soft. The definition was there, so it was looking good. But I'm gonna just speed past this part, and then I'm going to separate my hair, and then off camera I will fluff, and you guys will just see the final results. I'm gonna just kind of speed past this just a little bit, because you guys have seen this all before, but I still wanted to show you guys the process. So this is the final look of my twist out, you guys, and I feel like it came out so good. I definitely love using these products together when I want that extra moisture and shine. So this is what it's looking like. It's soft, it's defined, it has volume. I didn't overpick it too much just because I wanted to, you know, let it get bigger over the course of the days. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried out any of my products and which ones are your favorite. Definitely check out the new Ravishing Leave-In Detangler. If you haven't tried any of my products, get them all. I promise you will not be disappointed. You can go to www.goddessscurls.com and use discount code SAVE10. But this next clip I am gonna insert is my hair, I believe on like the fourth day. So I just wanted to show you guys how it like looks throughout the course of the days, and if you want to know how I preserve it and all that, I will link down below my nighttime routine. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. Support my business, and I will see you guys in another video.